Protect your identity from sophisticated fraud. Learn how to freeze your credit using the Experian app right from your smartphone. Begin by opening the Experian app on your mobile device and logging into your account if you are a new user. You will need to register by providing your personal identification details. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the app's security features. Look for designated options such as Freeze Your Credit, Manage Security, or Credit Protection. Tap on the Freeze Credit option. The app will then guide you through a streamlined process to verify your identity and activate the credit freeze. Carefully review the information presented, which will outline the implications of a credit freeze. Confirm your intention to proceed with freezing your credit file. You will immediately receive an in-app confirmation of your credit freeze with Experian, along with an email notification. This action actively prevents any new credit applications from being approved without your express consent. Should you need to apply for new credit, you can easily unfreeze your credit file at any time through the Experian app. This convenient feature offers robust protection for your financial identity. Securing your credit is paramount, and the Experian app provides an accessible solution. Download the app today and take immediate control of your credit security.